What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to supposedly be making a brownie in a cup. I saw this video on YouTube. I'm going to be following the recipe with my iPad over here. It looked really cool. It looked really simple. I'm not a baker. I never do anything with food, but it looked really simple, so I figured I'm going to try it myself. I don't know if I'm going to put this in my Does It Work playlist because I don't know if it's going to be good, but we'll see. So, first I have to get 1/4 cup of sugar. So I have my sugar, and I have to find 1/4 of a cup. Here's 1/4 of a cup. So I have to get 1/4. Whoops. Hope I have enough. Oops. I think I need a little more. Oh, I'm making a huge mess. Yep. I've never done anything with food before. Okay, here's 1/4 cup of sugar. I hope I can fit this all in my mug. There's 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of flour. There's my 1/4 cup of flour. And oh my gosh. Yep, you can tell just by looking that I've never done anything with food since I'm making a huge mess. Oh my gosh, can't believe this. I better bring my paper towel over here. Okay, after that I do 2 tablespoons of cocoa. Geez, I don't think this is all gonna fit in my mug. 2 tablespoons. Yeah, okay, so let me find, here's tablespoon. Keep spilling. I think just a little more because I spilled. Okay, 3 tablespoons. Oh wait, no, a pinch of salt. Okay. Oh my gosh, I need my salt. Hold on, I forgot to get my salt out. Pinch of salt. I'm guessing this is about a pinch. Hope it wasn't too much. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Yeah, I have never done anything with cooking before. This is tablespoon, yeah. And I'm not going to eyeball stuff. And now here it says 3 tablespoons of water, but I'm reading a lot of comments saying that you should use milk instead, just because, you know, cooking, or not cooking, baking, you use milk. 3 tablespoons. Yeah, I think I'll be able to fit this in, so let me get 3 tablespoons of milk. Alright, I added in 2 tablespoons. I need 1 more tablespoon of milk. Except he said water, but now it's interesting because some of these comments are saying they were great, and some of them are saying it was horrible. So who am I supposed to believe? I don't know if this was opinion or not, but now you just go ahead and mix all these in. Hope I don't spill any. I hope this doesn't turn out to be garbage. It's starting to get a little thicker as I mix. It's all sticking to the spoon. So let's see if this actually tastes like a brownie. It's looking good, but that's all because of the cocoa powder. Looks like we missed a little. Jeez, everything's landing on the spoon. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna clean this off. Don't worry, I did wash my hands. You always wash your hands. Oh my gosh, so sticky. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead. Look at that, fingers are all dirty. I'm gonna go ahead and microwave this for 1 minute and 30 seconds. So, with all that came out, I mixed it a little more. I shook it out, and some got all over my fingers, so it's so sticky, and I licked my fingers, and it tastes really good. Alright, so 1 minute, 30 seconds. Oh, my finger's all chocolatey. Let's go. See if this actually is good. And he said some additional items you can have are ice cream and, let me get it, hold on. Caramel, and I have both of those. So we'll see if this is actually any good. Alright, so I just took it out of the microwave and it's still a little wet, so I'm going to put it in, or not wet, but, you know, I'm just going to put it in for like another 10 seconds. Alrighty, time to put some little ice cream on it, and then you just eat it out of the cup. By how it tasted when I licked my fingers, it tasted really good. So I'm just gonna put a little ice cream on. Had this in the freezer. Alright, that's probably enough. A little caramely said makes it good. Except he put a ton of caramel. I was like, whoa, dude. Alright. Here it is. Chocolate brownie in a cup. Time for the taste test. Alright, guys, time to try this. Chocolate brownie. Wow, it has the exact consistency of a brownie. Hey, a napkin. Holy crud. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Like, I just get a little bit of the brownie. I'm not kidding. Just like a brownie. Seriously, this is delicious. But, use milk instead of water, just like the guy said, just like I did. Guys, you have to try this. I was surprised, because I've seen a lot of recipes for mug cakes on the internet, and a lot of them don't seem good, but this is great. You guys have to try this. I'll put the recipe in the description. It's so easy, except don't make a mess like I did. So, I hope you enjoyed this. So good. I wish you could, like, take a bite through the camera, get a glass look. I will see you next time. Peace out. To shoot up, but they don't work very well at all. But it's a really nice pool. We give you towels. 60, that's pretty good.